Hello everyone. Today Hello everyone. Welcome to Unbox-Anything. Today we are unboxing the Ryobi 18-watt One Plus quick hand vac. This is just a portable and which runs on the 18-volt Ryobi One battery, which is sold separately, and this is just a tool. So I just got this one from the Home Depot, just for the quick cleaning. So it comes up with these accessories and it can easily vacuum the wet as well, and they say that okay, it will suck even the water as well. So yeah, I thought I want to try it out for my day-to-day needs, and this 18-volt battery you can use for any of other these accessories you may have. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This is the tool they have. Okay, it's quite handy. As you can see, this is the power button and this is the tool they have, which you can open. I think it does comes up with the filter here. This is the filter. I think it's a bit tight. It does come up with these two accessories, and this is the guide. It's easy, probably I need to put the battery here and test it out, but it seems to be very lightweight, which you can use it for your car cleaning, anything. So seems to be quite handy. I'll try it out. Thanks for watching.